Okay, thank you. Hello everybody, today we are test driving a Peugeot Boxer van Euro 6 which will be turning after the next turning. Please indicate the left, yeah. Which came in with a DPF problems, Adblue problems. Actually, the vehicle previously, the DPF software was deleted. Anyway, obviously, owner driver didn't know anything about it. Sir, how do you think your van comparing to the previous? What can you tell me?
Well, I think the van is okay now. I can feel that the power of the van is back where it should be, and it's running smooth again and having the speed in the pedal that it was supposed to have. So
okay,
I don't need to tell anything else.
Okay, thank you very much. I can see you got a smile on your face.
I mean, it's my van.
Well, okay, thank you very much. We have another happy customer from Supreme Dpf Cleaning. You can reach us on 07-533-636194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx issues, black or white smoke, power loss, high fuel consumption. We are the masters. And also EC programming. We are Quantum Tuning EC Programming Center. Please call me. Thank you very much. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Westerham, Kent. TN16 2ET. Thank you.